Hello everybody! Today I have my puppy, Matthias. He's a goofy boy and I'm going to do a little math lesson with you guys. Okay boy, lay down. Like, out here in the outside beautifulness because it's absolutely beautiful outside and wow, I just thought I'd do our math outside today. So what we're going to be doing is kind of similar to yesterday, where we are subtracting 4-digit numbers, but this time we're going to be subtracting with regrouping. So let me just write up here our place values. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's say that we have a big number of 4,185, and we want to take some away from that number. We would like to take away 1,232. Now, our objective today said that we're going to be subtracting and regrouping thousands to hundreds. So that's what we're going to be doing with this one. So let's start with our ones and subtract across. 5 take away 2 is 3. I'm not going to draw out today like I did yesterday. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 take away 3 is 5. 100 take away 200s. Can we do that? No, we cannot, right? So we need to borrow for our hundreds so that we have enough hundreds in this place value right here to take 2 away from it. So this number up on top has to be larger than our 2. So we're going to go next door and borrow from our thousands. We're going to change one of these thousands into 10 hundreds. So I'm going to go next door and just take one of those thousands, change this to a 3,000. So now I have that 1,000, I'm going to give it to my hundreds. I'm going to give them 10 extra hundreds. So 1000 plus 100, let me rewrite that nicely, is 1100s. Now this is the only time that we can have a number greater than 9 in our place value, right? Because we're borrowing it only for a short time. So now we have 1100s minus 200s. 11 minus 2 is 9, okay? And then we're going to go to our thousands place value and subtract from there. So remember, now we have 3, not 4 anymore. So 3,000 take away 1,000 is equal to 2,000. So that's our final answer. Can you hopefully see that still? Yes. 2,953 is our final answer. So let me just demonstrate what I did here. When I borrowed, I had 4. Let me go back to what we had originally. I had 4,000, and I needed to borrow one of those thousands for 100. I basically took 1,000 and I split it up into 10. Whoa, let me draw this really quick. It's kind of hard to draw sideways. I split that 1,000 up into 10 hundreds. These do not look like our hundreds manipulatives at all because I'm drawing really bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds, and that's what I did over here. I took 1,000 away from my 4,000. I borrowed one of them, and I gave it to my hundreds. So instead of having 100, I have 1,100. 10 plus an extra 1 is 11 hundredths. That's basically what I just did there. So let's practice this one more time. I'm going to really sloppily erase this because I forgot an eraser. Get my fingers all dirty. Good thing I'm outside though. Okay, and let's do it one more time. Let's do 3,293. Take away 1,182. Actually, I'm going to change that to 7. I forgot, we need to be regrouping, right? 1,782. So this is the number we're taking away from this larger number up here. So let's start with our ones place value. We have 3 ones, take away 2 ones. That is going to equal 1, 1. Then 9 tens, take away 8 tens, is going to leave us with 1 10. Then 2 hundreds, take away 7 hundreds, is what? We can't do that, right? The 2 is smaller than the 7. We always need a larger number up on top. So we need to go next door to our thousands and borrow one of the thousands out of the 3. So if we take 1 away from 3, that leaves us with 2,000. And we're going to give that 1,000 over to our hundreds. So 1,000 equals 10 hundreds, and we already have 2 hundreds here. So that's going to equal 12 hundredths. Now we can subtract. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then we have 2 take away 1. 2,000s take away 1,000 is going to equal 1,000. So our final answer is 1,511. Okay? This looks very sloppy and messy, but hopefully you can see that there are lines in ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. All right.